Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest updates and insights about the Pi network ecosystem. Today's update focuses on a major release from the Pi core team, Pi Node version 0.5.4, now officially called Pi Desktop. This update brings significant improvements aimed at boosting performance, stability, and the overall user experience for pioneers operating a Pi node. The new version introduces multiple enhancements, starting with improved performance. Pi Desktop now runs more efficiently, offering a smoother and more reliable experience for users. The update also includes refined reward calculations. The mechanism for calculating node rewards has been adjusted to more accurately reflect each user's real contribution. This is a key step in preparing for the transition of node rewards to the mainnet in the near future. Several community-reported issues have been addressed. Problems previously experienced in version 0.5.3, such as node reward delays, automatic update issues, and errors in creating block containers, have now been resolved, improving system stability. Another important upgrade is the new open port verification system. This feature enhances how open ports are monitored for pioneers' nodes, ensuring that node bonus rewards are earned fairly and based on verifiable network contributions. Additionally, Pi Desktop now fully supports authorized external links, including links to blogs, Pi resources, and updates found in the mining app and Pi App Studio. This feature was previously inconsistent, but now works as intended. A fix was also introduced for the Pi App Studio, where some properly installed applications were not showing previews. This issue has been resolved, improving the developer and user experience within the Pi app ecosystem. In summary, the Pi Desktop 0.5.4 update brings improved performance, stronger reliability, enhanced reward accuracy, and smoother daily usage, making node participation more stable, secure, and user-friendly for the Pi network community.